everyone, Linda Israel here, and I have a few journals that I've made. I got a little carried away and I ended up printing enough of the pages to make 5 little journals. They are 10 pages in, or excuse me, 10 sheets of paper inside. That makes 40 pages, and they're approximately, let's see, 5.5 by 8.5 tall. And they're using the Calico Collage digital journal kit One Fine Day. So I've kind of mixed it up. This isn't what's supposed to be the cover, but I just thought it was so pretty that I wanted to use it on the cover. I've added some tulip glitter paint throughout. I have hand stamped the I Can Do All Things Through Christ Who Strengthens Me, which is 413. And we've got some lace here, and then let's start on the inside. So on the inside, we have a little side pocket with a couple of journaling cards that are also from the Calico Collage kit, and they have some glitter on them. Pretty page from the Calico Collage, and then I've sewn some pages, or sewn some lace on here. On this side, it's got some Tattered Angels Glimmer Mists, and then I have stamped different sayings, and I have sewn some more fabric on this one. Again, this is using the stencil that I made that I have in my shop. Another one of the Calico Collage with some sewing there. This is a page out of an old Bible, and then I have attached it to what was my mop-up page in my Tattered Angels, and this is another one of the journal cards, and I've added the glitter paint to it, some lace and some ribbon, and then another stamped saying. This one is using the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist, and then I've added fabric and a snippet of the lace, and I've stamped, "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." This is some scrapbook paper that's sewn onto here to make a pocket. And we have some lace over here with some pretty trim on top. Again, more of the glitter paint, more of the stenciling and stamping. This lace was an ivory color, and I colored it with Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist so I could get it to match the journal that I was working on here. More ribbon and sewing on there. This is a little pocket, and I think it's Crafty Irina that had this design, and I've just altered my concept of it, and it's got a few little journaling cards as well as a stamp saying. Some more of the Calico Collage. This is a little one of those pads of paper that you tear off, and I have sewn it onto a piece of cardstock and added a piece of fabric and a scrap of lace. This is more of the scrapbook paper and another dictionary page. And on this side, I've added the little corner tuck spot. I've sprayed the background with Tattered Angels. I really like how this journal card turned out by adding the ribbon and the lace and sewing, and I've stamped in the background, and I just thought that turned out really cool. This is a pocket that I made by adding a piece of napkin to a page out of a dictionary, and my butterfly got squished. I'm going to see if I can fix it there. And then in the center, I have punched with a paper punch some little butterflies to put on the strings. And this pocket has a pocket in the back as well as right here, so you can add more journaling cards to it or mementos. And I'm going to call this kind of a prayer journal, a Bible study journal possibly. There's lines on the pages on some of them, so you can write notes. There's another little stamped bookmark that I've made, and it's got some stamping and sewing on it as well. More stamping. And this page is maybe hard to see on camera, but it has a real pale blue stenciling of some birds in the background. More stamping and stenciling, stamping and stenciling. Another one of the journal cards. This is a postcard. More of the lace on this side. Another journal card. I've made an altered paper clip and it holds a journal card. More stamping and sewing and stenciling. And then this is a back pocket here. That's a piece of denim. So we've got a card in here. Then we've got a card that looks like a little library pocket card. And then it has got a tie of a piece of fabric that will wrap around and tuck into itself on the front. And I've got 5 of these. They vary slightly on the inside. Some of them may have different images from Calico Collage on some of the pages, and some of them are very similar to what I used before. But overall, they have the same kind of stamping, and they have the same type of glimmer mist throughout. And I will have these available in my shop, and definitely check out Calico Collage. The link will be in the description box to my blog, so you can see all of the items that I used to make these journals, as well as go to Calico Collage to get the digital journal kit one fine day. I hope this inspires you, gives you some ideas to make your own journals. If you have any questions, please use that comment box down below. If you would like to share some things about what you enjoy about watching this video, please do so. And of course, like I said, if you have questions, please feel free to ask. Check the description box for links to my social media as well. So I have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, as well as YouTube and my blog. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends so that others can find me as well. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a fabulous day. Bye.